Hi there, everyone, and welcome to your class. My name is Alan. Today we will be doing yoga for a good start. So go ahead, grab your mat, place it, and sit on your easy seated pose, your Sukhasana. And from here, we shall do some techniques on how to start your day or how to feel good, just to feel okay. When you're ready, begin to look for your left collarbone. And then when you're ready, maybe tap the area under your left collarbone for about 10 times. And just gently tap it. When you're done, then let's switch to your right side. Find your right collarbone and then tap the area under that collarbone. Again for 10 times. And this is what you call lymphatic massage, wherein your lymphatic system what is interconnected with your emotions, with your tensions around your body, just like the fascia, and we'll try to wake up those that system. Come back to your left side, and then from here, from the tip of your left shoulder, you're gonna tap all the way up to that area under your left ear. Gonna do this for 10 times as well. Imagine that you are tapping inch by inch and slowly come back. Let's do the other side. So coming from the edge or from the tip of your right shoulder all the way to that area under your right ear. When you're ready, begin to come back to center. Now this time we're gonna do some trigger point massage with our face. So try to find that area right above your eyebrows and then just right on top of your forehead. For a minute I got lost there. And then just tap it here. Then slowly go to the sides of your temples, right by your eyes. Then slowly create that small circle going towards your right under your eyes. Do that again for another round. You may ask me, what am I doing? So this allows yourself to, the tapping motion allows you to feel present, to know and get ready with your body for the day. This is a simple face massage as well. Now let's begin to tune into your breath, placing your hands gently on your lap, inhaling to your nose, exhale to your mouth, inhale to your nose, exhale to your mouth, inhale to your nose, exhale to your mouth. Let's do that 2 more rounds. Inhale, exhale, last one. Now let's sweep our feet under and meet on your tabletop. So stacking your wrists under your shoulders, your knees under your hips. On your inhale, we're going to move our hips all the way to the back as we sit down on our heels. And try to notice on this active child's pose. Allow yourself to just stay, maybe instead of worrying what will happen next, maybe just think of how grateful you are practicing today, how grateful you are breathing, how grateful you just woke up to start a new day. Exhale, come back to center. Do that for 2 more rounds. Inhale, pull your hips towards your heels. Exhale, come back to center. Last one here, inhale. And then slowly exhale. As you come back to center, slowly lower down on your elbows. And then begin to straddle, so placing your knees as wide as the mat or even wider. And some of us might have a hard time with the hip opening. So you may place a pillow right under your belly. And you may just stay here or simply dropping your belly and staying here for a while. You may place one hand on top of the other with your chin on top of it. And then stay here. One last breath. Slowly walk your hands under your shoulders and then slowly press yourself up. Walking your hands towards your knees. Begin to pull your knees together. And then just wiggle your hips side to side. From here, step your right foot forward. Assist it with your hands. And when you're ready, begin to place your right hand on top of the other, right on top of your right knee. Now begin to pull your knee and your hip forward. And this is a gentle massage around your hips. Slowly exhale, pulling back. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Come back to center, land both hands, then gently step your right foot to the back. This time, let's do the other side. Again, you may assist with your left foot all the way forward and then placing your hands on top of your left knee. Begin to pull your left knee forward. And this follows with your hips. And don't need to go deep or too shallow. Just the right motion to start your day. You might hear some cracks, some squeaks around the joints, and that's perfectly fine. We are just trying to lubricate those joints. Slowly step your left foot back and sit down on your heels. Stay here for a while. I'm going to face you here. And notice that some of us will have their knees together. Some of us would be more comfortable with knees apart and big toes together. Regardless, that is the same. And make sure to make yourself comfortable when sitting in this position. So the Thunderbolt pose allows you to stay here, pressing down on your buttocks with your heels. When you're ready, interlock those fingers and press forward. On your inhale, lift your arms up, gaze upwards. Now turning your hands towards yourself, exhale, rounding your back with your palms facing you. We're going to do that 2 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Last one here, inhale. And then exhale. Now slowly land your hands to the sides and then sweep your feet under. We are back to our easy seated pose, our Sukhasana. Placing your hands on your lap and allow yourself to feel good. Allow yourself to notice what happened for the past practice. Know that you are seen, you are worthy, you are alive, and you are here. Allow yourself to stay present, placing your hands together. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope to see you again next time.